Unlock a world of knowledge and elevate your learning experience by streaming Masterclass directly onto your Samsung TV. Let's dive into how you can get Masterclass on your big screen. First, we need to access your Samsung TV's App Store. Locate the App Store icon. It often looks like a shopping bag or a stylized app, and select it using your TV remote. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function. You'll see a search bar. Select it and type in Masterclass. Make sure to spell it correctly. The Masterclass app should appear in the search results. Highlight the Masterclass app icon with your remote and select it to view its details. On the apps page, you'll find an option to download or install it. Select this option, and your TV will begin the download process. You might need to confirm the download. Wait for the app to download and install completely. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet connection. Once installed, you'll find the Masterclass app on your TV's home screen. Select the Masterclass app icon to launch it. You'll then be prompted to log into your existing Masterclass account or create a new one if you haven't already. Enter your credentials, and just like that, you're in. You can now browse through an incredible selection of courses from world-renowned instructors, all on your Samsung TV. Alternatively, if you prefer not to download the app directly, you can use screen mirroring. Open the Masterclass app on your smartphone or tablet, and then look for the screen mirroring or cast option within the app or your device's settings. Select your Samsung TV, and your content will appear on a larger screen. Enjoy learning from the best, anywhere in your home, on a big screen.